Me no carry feelings because it too heavy. Me carry 2 chip Glock with 2 belly.
Me see bad man, I get rid of. Me see friends start creaming for cheddar.
So wagwan people, respect for tuning into another video. And big up to all of my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, una large up on yourself. From una see the thumbnail and the title, then you know what is on the menu today. And today we forward to talk about Squashman, Bigvoice and the whole altercation within the 6 camp. Where Fredman attacked Bigvoice Wikid and threatened him, say him just want to get him location to slap him away. And Bigvoice diss him up back Wikid too and make him know say anything and anytime him ready, him to come do it. So basically people, consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Yeah, like and share up the video so that others can be in the know. And basically people who don't know how we do the thing already, we are going to just jump in at the intro and come right back to the video. So no don't go nowhere. I'm soon forward.
I could I never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican. I do make it place nice with my taste size. Me them get free.
So basically now people, we all know what is going on right now within the 6 camp, with Bigvoice coming out and speaking his mind and also exposing the 6 camp bad ways, including Fredman, Squash and Squash Mother. And we all know people that everyone has a breaking point and everyone deal with it differently. And basically this is how Bigvoice feel to deal with it in this situation. So the artist go on his TikTok live and vent out his wrath and basically letting the people them know what really are going in at the 6 camp people. You understand what I mean? So basically you know say this is an internal affair and basically Bigvoice are exposed Fredman and the whole 6 camp bad ways and I make them know say them nah give Squash no good encouragement. All them a tell the man about a beer gun and for buy gun because them love sweet and I draw the man in a badness. Yeah, and definitely a shake up Squash career in the future. And at the end of the day, he must say Squash now will no meds neither to people and I make some little boy I tell him what to do and I shake up himself and I shake up him career. You see me I say people. And basically him a this up Fredman wicked too because Fredman commented on his live and threatening him and I say him a go dead and him want know him location and a long time him for dead. So Bigvoice I make Fredman know say him a little boy and him to go one side away him feeling bad from cause at the end of the day Bigvoice I make him know say yo him not afraid of him and anything Fredman can do him can do it too. Him also I remind Fredman say Fredman remember say him grow him as a youth and basically Bigvoice I make them know say him not afraid and none of them basically, you see me I say, because the whole of them are friend killer and him know that long time. So basically him always have him eyes on them and always a pre them. You see me I say, but here me I say no people. A whole heap of things Bigvoice are exposed in this video viewers and subscribers. I'm avid phone so me I go make you take it in for yourself and really see what go on. But remember to drop your thoughts down into the comment section. Yeah, and make me know what you think about all of this. So here when me I say people, just check out the video.
Youth, you know. But it come like when you find the real youth them to kill out. Brother, this is one real youth you can't kill. Go suck your mother friend. Fredman, go near your mother friend. Cause you're a real pussy. If you can join my life and tell me something if you're dead and feel like me go hide it in a corner, me I go bring it on the TikTok more. Cause at TikTok you bring it to bad man. And you first join my life and say Bigvoice. And the man friend them, some little girl, Jinsu and them little girl back at the man. Them don't even know, me don't even know them. But one Fred done, one shot done. People no stop walk and push violence for friend thing youth. Stop walk and promote friend violence youth. You know kill off youth them youth. A whole heap of good youth all are dead. See like some fuck remeds youth. Brother, if you are pre me just pre me no gunman. What make you that one kill me gunman? If you are pre me, you not pre me gunman. Just pre me gunman. You're on the gun and fire, you're not going to live gunman. You're not going to live gunman. How you want to feel like you want? Show for your mightiness of a man, brother. Eh? A mightiness you want of a man, bad man. Bad man, go suck your mother, bad man, and go know yourself, look boy. Go know yourself, look boy. He come like him and look power, my youth. He man both his name Fred, that boy name Shark Dan. Boy name Shark Dan. A giant me live. With some little girl behind, boy them name Mafia. Boy Bigvoice go suck your mother, you're soon dead. Brother, remember me growing in a little youth. Me I never have argument yet when me I growing in a little youth. If me did want to kill in a little youth, you couldn't join me live for say me dead youth. You couldn't join me live If you say you want to kill me, youth, and you want to know my location, youth. You couldn't join my life if you say that because me could have killed you from a long time if me have you in my meds, youth. Look boy, you grew up a South Spring in a system. Stop the friend killer and go suck your mother, little boy. And that me I tell you. Look boy, Fred, you're there a squash foot. You're supposed to teach squash the right thing. See now, you make 6 bars get locked up. You not teach the artist the right thing. You run the artist and you feel sure the artist say squash. A foreign with a dog. Like when somebody gun them squash. Because we make a bigger page on squash. You not teach squash nothing. That's why squash no want me around him because me no yes man. But if squash say this, you don't have to say yes. But you me a squash real friend. If squash say something fuck up, me I go tell squash the truth. Because me now go see my friend sing like a pussy. But my youth, you carry my friend gone to the dogs, my youth. My youth, you take my real friend from me dog. And turn the man in a pussy youth. Because suck on the mother youth. You a pussy because you love sweets youth. And that's why you fuck up 6 bars, my youth. You turn the man in a one piece of papi show youth. He man not even there on internet with no gun thing, brother. He power what he man have, brother. He man even need you no look a boy back at him. Because you look a boy a trouble youth. You no look a boy if stay in a bush, brother. You no look a boy if stay in a bush because you not ready for road yet, look a boy. You see South Spring, I be a real youth there South Spring. You no look a boy couldn't stay at South Spring. That's why you know have to lift up from South Spring. Because you no mind no good youth. Yeah, you no fuck you go on a South Spring from no left South Spring youth. You no turn squash in a one piece of fuck you from none of the youth, from no run the youth, and no show the youth the right way, brother. You see when me and squash they run, brother, I be a realist, I show squash in a dog. But when them a look a boy run squash, then tell him man be a fuck with you, they want him and buy up 2 artilleries give them, and then feel like them a bad man, and they want squash buy them 2 guns. Yeah, they run off them out and go like them a bad man. But yo, 6 bars, this and that, then squash buy them 2 big gun and then squash start on idiot on internet and anything there. Brother, if squash even run me, brother, and be a gun there foot, squash can't come on TV and media with no gun dog, cause some me love 6 bars. Uno no love him man, brother. Uno only batty man for sweets, brother. And that's why I hold my own. 6 bars can't like me. But 6 bars have to love me from far out in my heart. Cause 6 bars knowing himself, see I so big voice stay, brother. Me never did change, brother. Me never did change, brother. Uno I like me change, bad man. Me not change, brother. That's why I stay in my own zone, cause I'm a loyal youth, brother. And me not run back a fuckery, brother. Uno look a man come on anything and I fuck up the artist, brother. Uno make the artist there jail, bad man. You see me? The artist there road, brother. Road. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, me nah stop chat right now, man. You see, if I join me live and tell myself me for dead, brother, wrong mistake gonna make, brother. If I no join me live and tell myself me for dead, a wrong mistake gonna make, man. Go suck on the mother. Dead boy and dead girl. Go suck your mother. You tell me say me chat too much, you want me chat more? You want me chat more? Go suck on the mother. I wanna build on the fake page and I talk about stop chat more. Go suck on the mama. And that me want to tell you, brother. When people tell us say you're dead, where you know, brother. Don't take it for joke, youth. You don't believe in a Father God and make Father God lead you know where you get a youth. No afraid of no man, brother. Just be aware. Just be aware of them, brother. Just only be aware of them, get a youth. You don't make no man feel like they're more around and they're mighty more than them. Because see me can dead, you can dead too, brother. And me I talk out of my mouth, I don't want to feel like you can lock it off. You know a friend killer gunman. Go suck on the mother. Suck on the mother, bad man. Me dey on TikTok in my own lane, brother. Me no sue no gunman. Brother, you no see a man, them stay, brother. Yo, killer, I want to see what go on in TikTok. And them a build page, dead boy, this, you talk too much. Oh, no means me talk too much. That means so if you stop joining me live, and this me boy me go dead. If you don't know how me chat nothing gunman, stop joining me live, but big voice. You know, pick side, you sell out, you go dead. If you don't know how me chat, no send nothing for me live gunman. Don't join me live gunman. Cause for no days the right around the corner gunman. That me want to tell you no gunman. No join me live, then I come chat but don't chat. Oh, you can come for me live and chat some if you dead youth. Brother, you know me is a real youth, brother. When me there at South Spring, none of you never dismay to no youth. You never dismay to no youth cause me a real youth, but now me a pussy cause you know me take side. Suck on the mother bad man. Me not stop on a friend killer, brother. Go suck on the mother youth. The boy them want go on like them powerful and go on like them want man. Praise them youth. Like they want man fi praise them for fuck you, brother. Like a man fi join your life, Zine. Like a man fi join your life and say big voice. You fi dead. And then you just sit down so in your life and say, yeah man, that boy go suck on the mother. Nyam on the mother. I'm not afraid to kill a friend, kill a brother. Go nyam on the mother, brother. That me I tell you, brother. Go nyam on the mother, brother. The people them love to see music. Uno look a boy we run squash. Go suck on the mama. Uno a fuck up the dog thing. Cause uno not tell the dog the right thing, them gunman. Gunman, uno sweetie gunman. Brother, uno licky gunman. J City. How you know about J City? Boy, you name J City. And I put up alkaline thing, gunman. And I say already gunman. Gunman, and I say your internet meme gunman. Brother, left it up alone, brother. Left it up alone, brother. It up on a phone, brother. It up on a phone, brother. Me a artist, it up a film, my youth. Me a artist, it up a film. See, mommy Shana send me be a message pa messenger de. Be a message pa messenger. Me nah go stop talk. Me nah go stop talk cause of them started, my friend. A Sparrow name G City, though. Sparrow go nyam out your mother, Sparrow. Sparrow go nyam out your mother, Sparrow. Sparrow, you couldn't bad in our village, Sparrow. If we never give you opportunity, Sparrow. Sparrow, if we didn't know so you're that turn and look about you boy, Sparrow, you couldn't stay in our village a minute, Sparrow. You couldn't stay in our village a minute, Sparrow. Go suck out your mother, Sparrow, if you follow the arrow, Sparrow. Go suck out your mother, Sparrow. You see, say you're a friend killer. Sparrow, oh, me grow your little boy. And you take side, I come for my life. Make you never say big voice as Sparrow. Go on, hold it, me G. Go suck your mother, Sparrow, if you follow the arrow, pussy.
So basically, no viewers and subscribers. You know what I want to do? After hearing all of these people, tell me what you think about it down into the comment section. Drop your thoughts and make we know what you really feel. Say if you feel like say basically big voice bias or you feel like the man them in the 6 cam is a big shag viewers and subscribers. Make me know down into the comment section. Also, remember to give this video a like. Yes, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Share up the video so that others can be in the know. So you don't know how we do the thing. Peace, I'm out.